You don't have to worry, and don't you be afraid. Joy comes in the morning, troubles may not last always. For there's a friend in Jesus who will wipe your tears away. And if your heart is broken, just lift your hands and say, I know that I can make it. I know that I can say, no matter what may come my way, my life is in your hands.